What's happening, everyone? It's Peter here, founder of Expedition Money. I want to hit you up with another money-saving tip. This next tip might sound extreme at first, but stick with me for a moment. It's called the Zero Food Waste Challenge, and it's been helping people save hundreds of dollars every month on groceries. The concept is simple but powerful. For 1 month, commit to wasting absolutely no food. That means getting creative with leftovers, understanding food storage maybe a little bit better, and planning meals like a chess grandmaster. Start by conducting what I call a refrigerator audit. Take everything out and group items by expiration date. Take photos of what you typically throw away. In fact, you might find that there's going to be a lot of stuff that you're going to purge right away. One of my friends told me that she was throwing away over $70 worth of produce every month simply because she wasn't storing it correctly. So here's the game-changing part. Create a eat this first box in your fridge. Anything that needs to be used in the next 48 to 72 hours goes there. Make it a rule, nothing gets cooked until you've checked that box. If you do this religiously, stop wasting food, and start eating everything that you buy and get the full value of everything that you're spending your money on, you might find that you're saving hundreds of dollars a month on groceries. So hopefully that helps you save a little money and maybe be a little less wasteful. I'll see you later.